Step back in time with this 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe, available now in Inglewood, California for $18,500. This striking blue sedan shows off classic lines and a clean title, making it a standout for any vintage car enthusiast. Beneath the hood, you'll find a robust 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, with an odometer reading of 111,111 miles. The car's overall condition is good, and the ownership is solid with a clean title status. Unique touches include a custom airbagged suspension setup and an upgraded sound system, adding modern flair without taking away from classic charm. This vehicle runs and drives, making it a prime candidate whether you're seeking a foundation for a show-quality restoration or desire a head-turning weekend cruiser. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own an iconic slice of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1946 Ford F-150 pickup is a classic that combines vintage charm with modern upgrades. Priced at $15,000, it's located in Henderson, Tennessee. The truck features a powerful 5.3-liter swap with headers, Brian Tooney Stage 1 cam, a 102mm throttle body, and an aluminum intake. It has a Mustang 2 front suspension, a 4L60 automatic transmission with a 2800 stall converter, and a 9-inch Ford rear end with Posey traction. The truck also boasts air suspension, power windows, and vintage air for comfort. The exterior paint is black and is in good condition, though described as a 10-footer, meaning it looks great from a distance. The odometer reads only 1,250 miles, and the title is clean, making this a solid choice for anyone looking to finish a restoration project or drive it as it is. This truck is a perfect opportunity for classic car enthusiasts or anyone looking to own a vintage vehicle with plenty of potential. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1947 Plymouth Super Deluxe Business Coupe is a true survivor, offering a rare opportunity to own a classic with original features intact. Priced at $10,900, this vehicle is located in Hollywood, California. It runs on a 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, and has a mileage of 80,653 miles. The car retains its original red paint, which has developed a charming, faded patina, along with a pristine all-original interior. The chrome accents and hood ornament remain fully intact, adding to its vintage appeal. The clean California title ensures the car's history is solid, and it's an ideal candidate for a full restoration or a vintage cruiser as is. The car is in good working condition, a true testament to its durability. If you're a serious buyer, this Plymouth offers a great chance to own a rare piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Get ready to turn heads with this 1947 Ford Cabover engine street rod, available for $25,000 in Winton, Alberta. This meticulously built classic is not your average Ford, crafted on a 1977 GMC 2500 chassis. It features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a unique 38-40 style grille. With only 950 miles since the build, it's in excellent condition, boasting a clean title, shiny black paint, rear-wheel drive, and a powertrain that makes every cruise a blast. Signature details like a hydraulic tilt cab, tilt windshields, and functional doors and windows add flair, while Alberta registration as a 1947 Ford keeps it authentic. Still, the street rod is mostly ready for the road, with just a few finishing touches left, like heater install and some floor insulation. If you're after a rare classic that feels like a half-ton short box with modern upgrades and raw character, this is it. Perfect for restorers or vintage car enthusiasts ready to add their own final touches. For more information and a closer look, check the link in the description for details and photos. Here's an incredible, one-of-a-kind 1948 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, offered at $56,995 in El Paso, Texas. This show-stopping classic is finished in a striking red and boasts a meticulous custom build, featuring a powerful 350 V8 engine with a throaty cam, matched to a smooth 700 R4 automatic transmission. The odometer reads just 19,490 miles, showcasing this convertible's well-preserved, excellent condition. With a Fatman Fabrications front end, power disc brakes up front and drums in the rear, this Cadillac is both a powerhouse and a comfortable cruiser. Enjoy the luxury of power steering, vintage AC and heat, plus power convertible top, windows, and doors. The clean title status is backed by a meticulous restoration, making it equally perfect for collectors seeking a standout driver or for cruising to shows. This loaded classic offers modern comfort while retaining iconic vintage style. If you want to experience true automotive history and turn heads wherever you go, check out the link in the description for more information and photos. Step into vintage flair with this restored 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster, now for sale in Phoenix, Arizona at $39,500. Sporting a striking yellow finish and just 95,711 miles on the odometer, this sedan makes no compromises. Its newly installed Chevrolet 383-stroker engine pushes out 430 horsepower, paired to a smooth 700R4 automatic transmission for modern performance under classic lines. The restoration features an EFI fuel injection system, American racing rims, Flowmaster exhaust, and vintage air conditioning for comfortable cruising. The original radio has been upgraded with internet and Bluetooth, and there's even a new quartz clock and security system. Riding on an independent front end with sway bars, this rear-wheel drive gem boasts excellent condition throughout and comes with a clean title. If you're hunting for a turnkey showpiece to drive or add to your collection, this Stylemaster stands out as a unique blend of period charm and muscle car upgrades. Discover full details and additional photos by following the link in the description. Step back in time with this gorgeous 1948 Chrysler Town & Country convertible, now available for $79,000 in Virginia City, Nevada. This iconic woody convertible boasts an eye-catching green paint job, beautifully matched to the classic wood trim that defines the Town & Country's unmistakable style. Under the hood, you'll find a reliable 8-cylinder gas engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring an effortless driving experience that marries old-school charm with everyday usability. The car shows 75,000 miles on the odometer, and while it benefits from an older restoration, it remains in good shape with no rust reported and impressive feat for a post-war classic. The vehicle comes with a clean title, rear-wheel drive, and offers that sunny-day convertible feeling collectors and vintage enthusiasts crave. Whether you're dreaming of parade laps, weekend cruises, or the perfect addition to your vintage garage, this Chrysler is ready for its next chapter. Interested? Take a closer look and check out additional info and photos through the link in the description. Step back in time with this 1948 Chevrolet pickup, offered at $17,000 in Little Point, Indiana. This vintage farm truck comes with a piece of history, originally owned by the same individual from new in 1948 until a Nebraska farm sale in 2015, and it still boasts a copy of that original title. With 42,000 miles on the odometer, a green finish, and powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the floor, it's all original from bumper to bumper. The body shows honest farm dents and scrapes but is completely rust-free and features a clean title. Kept indoors since 2015, this pickup stands out for its authenticity and story, perfect for anyone seeking an unmolested classic ready for restoration or preservation as a nostalgic driver. If you're searching for a rare, unrestored Chevy with true survivor status, check the link in the description for more details and photos. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts, the 1949 Oldsmobile 88 Futuramic 4-door sedan Deluxe, offered at $20,000 in Oxnard, California. This black beauty features a rocket V8 303 cubic inch engine producing 135 horsepower, paired with the early Hydromatic automatic transmission, an important innovation of its era. With just 1,064 miles showing and a clean title, the car is in good condition and ready to drive, making it a solid choice for both those looking to restore a vintage icon and those who crave an authentic post-war cruiser. The body by Fisher ensures period-correct styling, while standout trim and paint codes add to its originality. Popularly known as one of the first muscle cars, the 1949 Oldsmobile 88 is ideal for collectors or anyone desiring a touch of American automotive history. Check the description for more info and photos. This stunning 1949 Studebaker SR512 pickup truck is a real head-turner, blending vintage charm with modern performance. Priced at $18,900 and located in Bisbee, Arizona, this beauty boasts a 350/350 Chevy powertrain, independent front suspension, and disc brakes from a 1978 Bonneville. The truck features a clean title, automatic transmission, and a fuel-efficient 8-cylinder engine with 44,500 miles. Restored in 1998, it has been well cared for, with some wear on the dark metallic blue paint. Recently driven in Wisconsin and Arizona, it has plenty of life left, though it could use a little tinkering, like addressing a slow transmission fluid leak and upgrading the cooling system for summer. It pulls an estimated 13 to 14 miles per gallon, making it a great choice for those seeking a fun, classic ride. Whether you're a vintage car enthusiast or looking for a restoration project, this truck is sure to impress. Check the link in the description for more photos and details.